Man, this doorbell sucks.
Nope. Nah. Hell no. Man, this one is expensive. For fuck's sake, I'll just build it myself then.
Sick, ayy. Now I know this doorbell really stands out, so much so that I got some really cool reactions out of people, so make sure to watch till the end. But before, let me just rewind real quick and tell you how it ended up like this. Throughout its lifetime, this house already went through many doorbells. I don't have the first one anymore, but this is the intercom that it came with. I actually like this one a lot. It was simple and just worked. But after a while, the video stopped working and so did the sound. So I decided to replace it with a custom built one. Let me introduce you to my first custom doorbell. Although after not too long, it looked like this. Hey, that's not really what you call a success. So this is pretty much what's left of it. Then we installed this one, meant as a short-term replacement, which ended up lasting for over 2 years. Finally, I put together all my newly acquired skills and over-engineered a new doorbell. In comparison, this new one got RGB LEDs, high-quality video, high-quality audio, a motion detector, and an attitude problem. Hey yo, doorbell, what's the difference between ignorance and apathy?
I don't know, and I don't care.
It's actually right on this one. Anyway, what was so shitty about my first one? Pretty much everything. I got 99 problems and my doorbell is at least 3 of them. The main issue was it had no button. It was supposed to do some fancy facial recognition thing, detect when somebody's at the door and message me via Telegram. But because I'm antisocial, I always left my phone on silent and without notifications. Not a good combo. And of course, people still want to press on something. So there you go, now the microphone is inside the doorbell. Oh, that didn't work? Let's push the camera inside as well. God damn it, that was terrible design. You can always trust people to not use something the way it was intended to. This time around, I covered the hardware with some acrylic shielding. And to make it really idiot-proof, I made a button that says button. Yeah, I did that. So remember the facial recognition thing I mentioned earlier? That was pretty bad too. As you can see from my Telegram history, apparently all of these cars have faces. And apparently some of them even look like me. I mean, I get it. The resemblance is uncanny. 99.38% accuracy? Yeah, right. See, it would be triggered by motion. So instead of using image motion detection, I moved to the physical motion detection so it wouldn't get triggered by the cars in the distance. Okay, last but not least, naively I thought it was a good idea to make the box out of multiple parts. But I live in Portugal and it gets hot out here. And what happens to thin plastic in the heat? It deforms. So the pieces didn't fit anymore, then gaps started appearing because of it, and since I'm lazy as fuck, I waited until winter so the rain could completely destroy my electronics. So this time it's all one big piece inspired by the Tesla truck. Not really, but you know. And this time inside is just a Raspberry Pi Zero, so it's $5 instead of 35. Actually, the whole thing is around $35 this time. Like seriously, screw these $400 doorbells. The components are basically a camera, speaker and amp, tiny microphone that I sort of hacked to fit under the button, motion detector, and a shit ton of cables. I went from spaghetti code to spaghetti wire. You can get the man out of the spaghetti, but you can't get the spaghetti out of the man. Anyway, the price doesn't include all the good stuff that's inside though. I got this 10-inch screen with a user interface to control everything. Also has a Raspberry Pi on the back. And no, this video is not sponsored by Raspberry Pi, but it definitely should. Wink, wink. I basically attached the whole thing to the back of the intercom that the house came with, and voila, a fully functional doorbell system. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Say something. Color myself. No. Stop. Say something, Martha. Okay, thanks for the most boring part of the video. You can come in now. Probably the coolest thing is that I can code any feature that I want on this, like doing rainbows at night just to flex on other people's doorbells. Custom doorbell sounds. Are you serious though? Make it tell jokes, or playing scary sounds at night when people are passing by. Go ahead and enjoy some of these clips.
My girlfriend said she wanted me to tease her, so I said, "Alright, Fatty.
I'm coming for you."
My friends tell me that cooking is easy, but it's not easier than not cooking.
Why do you seem so scared? You're going to die.
Why do dogs always bark when they hear a doorbell? It's almost never for them. They see me glowing. They hating. Ringing the doorbell. Don't knock it till you've tried it.
Tell me if there's a feature you would like to see down in the comments. Maybe I'll do a YouTube Shorts with it. Okay, seriously now, I easily spent over 200 hours working on this thing. All because I wouldn't settle on any like stock hardware or software. See, the stream directly to the browser? Wrote that shit.
Bidirectional audio stream? Wrote that shit.
Intercom user interface? Wrote that shit. LED animations? I actually copied that one from the internet. But still, I would really encourage you to
hit that subscribe button, you nerdy twats.
Next video is already in the works. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and
peace out, bitches.